We have for sale a Mercedes GLK 350, 2014 model. Exterior is white. This vehicle has been completely ran through our service department and has a complete checkover along with the service completed. Power lift gate. As you can see, all weather mats, carpet mats, rear shade. Mileage 142,398. Heated seats, dual AC control. This is the add-on navigation. My name's Nicole. I'm here at Phillips Motor Company. Call us today to schedule your test drive.